The S-400 Triumph, known as SA-21 Growler by NATO, is a powerhouse in air defense. Developed by Almaz-Antey, this Russian SAM system tackles aircraft, cruise, and ballistic missiles. Its command post vehicle, 55K6E, coordinates operations, ensuring seamless defense. 91N6E panoramic radar, 340-kilometer detection range, anti-jamming. Mounted on an MZKT-7930 vehicle. Tracks ballistic and aerodynamic targets with a 0.4 m2 RCS at 200 km and 4 m2 RCS at 340 km. 92N6E multifunction radar. 340 km range, tracks 20 targets simultaneously, guides missiles with high precision. 5 P-85TE2 SE2 launchers, self-propelled BAZ 64022 or trailer-based MES-543M, up to 12 per battalion, carrying 48 N6E E2 E3DM, 9M96E E2 and 40 N6E missiles. Transporter erector launchers swiftly deploy missiles ready to engage threats. With missiles like 40 N6E, range 380 km, altitude 30 km, speed 1,190 mph, Mach 3.5. Targets: ballistic missiles 4,800 mph, Mach 14, active semi-active radar homing. Climbs to altitude, then switches to search and destroy mode. 48 6DM E3, range 240 km, altitude 27 km, speed 2,000 mph, Mach 5.9. Warhead: 180 kg, semi-active radar homing, targets up to Mach 14. 48 N6 E2, range 200 km, altitude 27 km, speed 2,000 mph, targets Mach 8.2. 9M96 E2, range 120 km, altitude 30 km, speed 1,000 mph, Mach 2.9. Warhead: 24 kg active radar homing, 20 joule maneuverability for ballistic missile intercepts. 9M96E, range 40 km, altitude 20 km, speed 900 mph. Warhead: 24 kg. The S-400's multi-target engagement and rapid deployment are game changers. Engagement capacity: 36 targets simultaneously, guiding 72 missiles, 2 per target. ABM capability: near ABM treaty limits, 77 and 6 N-1 missiles. Add kinetic ABM for S-400, S-500. Deployed in regions like Syria and India, it strengthens air defense networks. It has seen action in Operation Sindoor during conflict with Pakistan. The S-400 is a pinnacle of Russian air defense, with advanced multiband radar, high maneuverability missiles, and robust integration for layered defense. Its global deployments and evolving capabilities underscore its strategic importance.